Namaste. Today we will talk about the third domain in cognitive psychology, that is, pattern recognition. Now, pattern recognition is a domain of cognitive psychology that focuses on how our brains recognize and make sense of patterns in the world. It is like our brain's ability to identify familiar shapes, sounds, or sequences of information. Imagine looking at a picture of different animals. Pattern recognition is what allows you to quickly identify and name each animal, like a cat or a dog or a bird, based on their distinct features. The mind automatically put those animals under a particular bucket or category. Our brains are like detectives that search for clues and match them to pattern that we already know. Here's how pattern recognition works in three simple steps. First, gathering information. Our senses, like our eyes and ears, collect information from the environment. For example, when you look at the animals in the picture, your eyes gather visual information about their shapes, colors, and details. Second, finding familiar patterns. Your brain compares the information it receives to the patterns it has already stored in your memory. It's like your brain searching and scanning its database for similar patterns that it has seen before. Third step is matching and identifying. When a match is found, your brain identifies the patterns and labels it. It's like your brain saying, ah, that's a cat, oh, or that's a dog. Pattern recognition helps us in many everyday situations. For example, while reading, when we see letters and words, our brain recognizes patterns and understands their meaning. Or while listening to music, we can recognize familiar songs or melodies because our brain detects those patterns in the sequence of the notes. Pattern recognition also plays a role in problem solving. By recognizing patterns in a problem, we can apply previous knowledge or strategies to find a solution to a new problem. In simple terms, pattern recognition is like our brain's detective work. It helps us identify and make sense of familiar patterns in the world around us, whether they are shapes, sound, sequences, or even ideas. It is what allows us to recognize objects, understand language, and navigate our daily lives. Thank you.